Well, so the question is why are we having issues with concentricity on our high-speed air handpieces, right?
Correct.
And you explained about the
for a rotor, air rotor to turn, it's really important not to have air leaks.
Mhm.
The head needs to be perfectly airtight. And the only way we can do that is with rubber O-rings. So picture inside the head here, inside we have a rotor. And that rotor is held in place with two O-rings, one on top and one at the bottom to prevent air from leaking and losing torque and speed. Picture this now. Imagine this piece here as being a burr. And picture this as being the chuck inside the rotor, and picture my wrist as a rotor. Rotor, chuck, burr. Because it's rubber, if I apply pressure on the burr, lateral pressure like this, it will squeeze the rubber O-ring on the top front here and squeeze the rubber O-ring on the back here, lower back, and it will move the burr sideways like this. As it turns now, the burr will whip like this because it's eccentric. You cannot prevent that. As soon as you apply pressure on the burr, the rubber O-ring will give top right, bottom left, and make that burr eccentric. Electric motor, because it is electric driven, there's no air, so there's no problem with air leaks. Therefore, the bearings, the ball bearings of the rotor is mounted on steel housing. Steel on steel does not give. The burr is so much more concentric, it turns much more precise when you're doing a crown prep or you're doing a cavity prep. Concentricity is more precise, less vibration, much more comfort for the patient and the operator, because you don't feel that vibration of whipping from the burr.
Cool.